Good afternoon. This is sample reading for Binny's speech. How to be healthy. We need to be healthy to live happy lives. When we are not healthy, we can't play and sometimes we can't go to school. Many people live happier lives when they are healthy. So today, I will tell you how we can be healthy. First, we need to eat healthy foods. A healthy diet includes eating plenty of fruits and vegetables. We need to eat good portions of whole grains, dairy, and meats. Some food has a lot of fat, so we need to be careful with these fatty foods. It's better to eat non-fat foods. When we eat fast food, we can't keep our health because of all the fat. But eating a little fast food once in a while is okay. Second, we need to exercise. Exercise is an activity carried out to keep the body in good shape and healthy. By exercising regularly, we can develop muscles and burn fat. There are many things we can do to exercise. For example, running, walking, swimming, lifting weights, jumping rope, playing soccer, and playing badminton. Exercise helps us to get better sleep because we get tired after exercising. Last, we need to sleep well. Sleep is important for people of all ages. Getting enough sleep has been shown to increase one's abilities. It also improves our health and improves our overall feelings. Sleep can also help our learning and memory. The average amount of sleep that is needed is 8 hours, but many people can do well with just 6 hours. Children need the most sleep, 10 hours of sleepy time. Getting enough sleep will give us more energy to do what we need to do. In conclusion, being healthy is so good. Living a healthy life is better than living an unhealthy life. Of course, we can be healthy by eating good food, exercising well, and getting good sleep. Do you want to be healthy? Thank you for listening.